welcome to the Research and Development Department of the Magic Stick, the latest creation to make your life simple. This could mean the end of the tape measure as we knew it. So, if you're looking for a magic stick, patent pending, look no further than this channel. We make magic sticks of any sizes. At the moment, we're specializing in Arctica, Sonolock panels, but in the future, we'll have magic sticks for other products. So we'll keep you posted. Here. Cut off with the noise. Where was I? Magic stick, big innovation, all different sizes. Well, maybe I'll take you to the production department and show you how they're made. Welcome to production. We're just cutting the magic sticks, and we cut them very accurately. And we'll just put a 1 on there so we know that is a 1 magic stick. Now, we could make a 2 magic stick. It's a bit more complicated because it's twice the length. And make sure that this is a 2 if you're using it. That is the difference. 1 magic stick or a 2 magic stick. So now you know how they're made, finely crafted, and that there are 2 different sizes. There's Magic Stick 1, which is for 1 panel, and Magic Stick 2, which is for 2 panels. Now this is where it gets a little complicated, so just stick with me. Let's say you have to do it more than 1 or 2 panels. Let's say 3 panels. Then what you can do is take a number 1 magic stick and a number 2 magic stick and put them together with our special fastener. Okay, now you've got a 3-panel magic stick. But it gets more complicated than that. Let's say you've got 4 panels that you want to put up, 4 panels high. There's various combinations you could use. 2 number 2 magic sticks, or 1 number 2 and 2 number 1s, or maybe you could use 4 number 1 magic sticks. It'll all get you to the same point. Your choice. So, should I carry on, or do you get the idea? I'm going to get it written down in a brochure with instructions so you know that 1 and 2, and then 1 plus 2 is 3, and 2 plus 2 and 2. You know what I'm getting at. We'll make a chart for it. Or you could use, I guess, a calculator if you have to. But we're going to be shipping these things out pretty soon. You can see that we're producing them, and so if you want one, make sure you order one quickly, because I think our shipping department is swamped with orders. Shipping! Huh? Oh, shipping, yeah. Yeah, we get your magic stick and we put it in the tube, and then we ship it to you. Yeah? Shipping, yeah. Well, now you see that how we're going to ship them out. And did I mention that the shipping is included? Yes. No cost to you. We ship it. And so, now you want to know how much they cost. Okay. They're going to be $29.95 a stick. Each stick costs $29.95. So you figure it out. Actually, I'll make another chart for that. Don't, yeah. Okay, so, well, are you ready to order? This deal won't last forever. One magic stick, $29.95. Two magic sticks, $59.90, I guess it would be, yeah. Three magic sticks, oh boy, that's hard. I'll be doing a little demo on how you'd use the magic sticks. So take a look at that and you'll see how simple these are going to make your life. Well, you figured out how many panels you needed. You used the chart to figure out how many magic sticks would work. Ordered them, and our shipping department has got them out to you, and they arrive. It's the big day. Now we're going to implement our plan with our magic sticks. Let's see how we'll do it. Well, we've got 3 2s and 5 1s. I'll show you how you do it. What you need is this special joining tape, and we will start by putting 2 2s together. Make sure you butt them completely together. Don't leave a space. And then put your tape over top. That's good. Let's add another one. Okay. That's 3 little sticks. Okay. Well, let's see. Hold on. Shut the camera off. So that's how it works. Make your life simple. Use Magic Stick. You won't regret it. You can throw away your tape measure. You'll never need it again.